Fujian Permanent Electron Company Limited is located in the motor city of Fu'an, Fujian, China. We are a professional company who researches and manufactures generator sets, alternators, and their spare parts. Now our key products including diesel gensets, alternators, AVRs, speed controllers, battery chargers, control panels, rectifiers, and ATS. We also supply the engine spare parts such as gauges, sensors, solenoids, actuators, filters, etc. Permanent has gathered a group of skillful engineers and technicians, so we have the ability to help the clients to research and develop the customization or high-end products. Nowadays, Permanent has its own brand, Aspire, which becomes more and more famous in the generator industry and accepted by various clients all over the world. The products are sold to many countries, including the developed countries like the USA, Germany, UK, and Japan. Other areas such as the Southeast Asia, South America, Middle East, South Africa also can find Aspire products. Aspire already wins the public praise day by day. Permanent strictly follows the principle of quality, honesty, responsibility, and innovation. Keeps on improving the management, insists on making every detail perfect, paying much attention on the after-sales service. We learn new and advanced technology, import top equipment, all for continuous supplying excellent products. We are looking for long-term partners. Sincerely welcome you to visit our company. We believe we will have a nice cooperation. Thank you.